Good morning, everyone, my young aspirants for Defense Forces. Today, I have with me Anurag. He was here with us on 2nd June, and thereafter, he went for SSB to Air Force Selection Board Guwahati. Got recommended from there. And to give a brief background about Anurag, he is from a defense background. His father is in ITBP, mother is a homemaker. He has done his schooling from APS Clementown, and this was his second attempt for the selection board and for the defense forces. So, Anurag, I want to congratulate you on behalf of the Dreamers family, Mr. Hayom Chaudhary, our director, co-founder, Ankita ma'am, and all the faculty of the Dreamers who have been a part of your journey.
Thank
A
you, sir.
small part, but a part of your journey. And how does it feel now?
Sir, it feels fabulous here. Getting recommended from the Air Force Board, which once got me conference out. So,
So you have been to Guwahati earlier and you were
sir, not,
conference out.
not to Guwahati, but to Gandhinagar.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's the Air Force Selection Board.
Yes, sir.
So this is good. This is like a vengeance for you.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, Anurag, like you came here on 2nd June and thereafter immediately you went for an SSB
Yes, sir.
at Guwahati. So what was your experience like for my young viewers who are aspiring to become defense officers and to be in uniform? How was your experience at Guwahati?
Sir, at Guwahati, on the day we arrived there, first of all, we were looking for the number of the people who had reported there.
Okay.
As earlier, the reporting was very few compared to the. But as I was in the second last batch, so the reporting was around 46 there.
Okay.
So as we went for the testing for the screening, so at that time they first briefed us. As the testing hall was very big there, but we were very less compared to
Limited number have been
Yes,
called.
sir.
Okay.
So the voice was echoing there of the psychologist ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
At that time, we were also getting not clear instructions, but earlier we had the chance to get the instructions as most of us were repeaters only there.
Okay. So how many people reported at Guwahati? Approximately
So 46.
46.
Yes, sir.
So how many were screened in?
So 29.
29.
Yes, sir.
So Anurag, tell me one thing. You were here at Dreamers EduHub.
Yes, sir.
You had a intense practice at this place.
Yes, sir.
So how did our practice of PPDT, which I have always been telling that it is one of the most important thing, if not the most important. So how did it help you in clearing your screening part?
Sir, as we practiced many pictures here, and most of them were like very blurry and hazy that we have practiced here. So it was not very difficult for me to make a story there.
Okay.
As the picture we saw there, most of us were confused for the first 10 to 15 seconds.
Okay.
And we were not able to see anything, but suddenly we got a glimpse that we say a hint in a picture that is given.
Okay.
We saw that, and most of us made like there was 2 or 3 themes majorly that were made by most of the candidates there.
Okay.
So, and also the narration practice that we did, as we have practiced many of the many PPT here. Almost that I can count were around 10 to 20 PPT we have done here.
Okay. So 20 PP approximately in 12 to 13 days.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
And
Okay.
that have helped a lot in the discussion part also, as discussing with the repeaters group is a bit I feel is
It becomes a
Yes,
kind
sir.
of fish market.
Yes, sir. And to give your point in a discussion at that time when everyone is trying to speak, so this practice helped a lot there.
So, Anurag, tell me, will I be right if I say that what we told you and the way we told you to go about doing the discussion and the way to go about writing the your perception on a paper in 4 minutes, did it help you?
Yes, sir, it did help me that I was able to get all the characters as most of us as perceived. There were 4 characters.
Okay.
So I was able to get all those and mark them properly there.
Hmm.
And also I wrote the story completely. Also I used the other side of the paper for writing this.
Oh my God. So it was in 4 minutes.
Yes,
The
sir.
practice was so much that you could use both sides.
Yes, sir.
Here I would like to stop and tell you, my viewers, that generally in a PPDT you get 4 minutes to write the story. And my experience of almost 11 years in various SSBs, I have rarely seen somebody write the front sheet completely. And here Anurag is telling us that he used both sides.
Yes, sir.
That is very good. And coming to the discussion part.
So the narration went well, and so because of the narration also, the
Hmm.
group members were like, this guy has given a good narration, so they were listening to my points
So
also.
finally, you were the one who concluded the story.
No, sir, not me. It was someone else, but
Hmm.
I took major part in the discussion also.
Very good. So your group was of what strength? 12, 15, how many?
Sir, around 12.
12. And
Yes,
how
sir.
many from your group got screened?
Sir, around 7 to 8.
Oh my, that's a big number.
Yes, sir.
So it is almost what 12, almost 50 to 60% got screened
Yes, sir.
from your group itself.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very nice. Now coming to the other 4 days of the SSB, how were they? We will go stepwise. Like the first is the psych test
Yes, sir.
that happened in the same evening.
Yes, sir.
So how did the grooming at this place? Who was your psychologist here?
Sir, Lieutenant Colonel Rohit Mehra, sir,
Rohit
was
Mehra.
my
Psychologist.
psychologist here.
Okay, so I'm sure Rohit's instructions and his debrief and his guidance helped you a lot.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
tell me.
as on that day when after the screening process, we had our lunch, and after that we went for a nap.
Okay.
As we
Oh my
were
God.
told
Good.
that you should take a nap before and get fresh so that you perform well in your psych
So
test.
rested mind.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
But that mind never rests. That
Yes,
is
sir.
everybody's so excited about it.
That was some of my group mates were still practicing their themes that they have collected all that. But
Okay.
I slept there, and then
Yes.
after that, when I went there in the psych test room, so in the hall, psych test hall, so the first that the TAT started, so I was able to get all the TAT done in the time. I felt that somewhere I lagged, but most of the part that earlier while I was here in the practice, that by the debriefing of the psychologist sir, Lieutenant Colonel Rohit Mehra sir, I was able to write all these stories. As while I was practicing here, I was not able to write all the 12 to 12 stories here.
But these practice over here
Yes, sir.
help you to at least complete all the stories
Yes, sir.
in a positive way.
Yes, sir. And also, as he suggested me that my SRTs and WTs are fine, I only have to increase the number of that by practicing. So I did that, and I was able to get the number to the higher level of the SRT and the WATs.
Okay. So now tell me one thing. Like, how much do you think the debrief helped you from the psychologist here? That is Rohit, Colonel Rohit.
Sir, it helped me a lot, as earlier I was not able to figure out the correct theme or how should I perceive the pictures,
Okay.
as we don't know ourselves that what is the correct.
What is the line to
Yes,
take?
sir.
Cue, you got the correct
Yes, sir.
cues from here.
Yes, sir, as he suggested me that I would have done this better in this story, and the point and the actions that I could have added in these stories, the SRT, and what I could have done better in the WATs. So that helped a lot in the psych.
In the side part
Yes,
itself.
sir.
Now, I would like to tell my viewers again one more thing, that at this place, that is Dreamers EduHub, we have a capsule of 13 to 14 days, wherein the 5 days are dedicated to the psychologist, wherein he goes stepwise TAT, SRT, WAT, SD, and then a test, and then again a retest and a debrief. So you can understand it's a very extensive way of conducting a technique and explaining a technique to an individual.
Yes, sir.
So I'm sure it helped you a lot, like you're saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now your interview. Coming to the interview. Which day was your interview?
It's the second day itself.
Oh, you're lucky one. So everything was going stepwise.
Yes, sir.
So tell me something about the interview here and the interview that took place.
Sir, the interview that was taken by Captain S. Jaiswal sir here was some bit like he told me the flaws and the points where I have to improve.
Okay.
As some of my answers were being like that someone have told me what I should answer to a particular question, and I'm not being myself in the interview.
Okay.
And I introspected about that in myself, that what am I doing wrong in giving the answers. So that also helped me a lot, as most of the questions that were asked in the SSB interview were mostly about the CIQ and my personal ways.
Okay.
Like my PIQ that I have given there.
You know what? The candidates confuse this interview for an interview like a job interview.
Yes, sir.
I would like to, I'm sure you're now aware that this is a personal interview.
Yes, sir.
So it is more about yourself.
Yes, sir.
And the more you know about your own self, it helps you a lot.
Yes, sir.
And probably that is what Captain Jaiswal tried to show you the path,
Yes,
right? और बताओ. हाँ.
So even some questions that he asked me were the same that the interviewer have asked me. Like
He is one of the most experienced interviewing officers we have at this place.
Yes, sir.
So that means his guidance and his debrief
Yes, sir.
and the way he conducted the interview, उसने आपको बहुत मदद की,
Yes, sir.
है ना? क्योंकि इंटरव्यू एक जगह है जहाँ पे बच्चे बोलते हैं कि सर समझ ही नहीं आता कि क्या करें,
Yes, sir.
है कि नहीं? So, but since you had worked here, you have been here, and you saw the interviews, you got a debrief, that helped.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how was your interview at that place? In the sense that, what was one question where you got a little confused and you thought कि यार अच्छा वहां ऐसे बोला था बताया था वैसे ही करना है.
Sir, I was not confused, but suddenly
हाँ.
he asked me in between that, Anurag, you look handsome. Do you
हाँ.
have a girlfriend?
Okay.
And at that time, I started laughing.
Hmm.
And the interviewer got to know that, yes,
He has got a girlfriend.
yes.
Okay.
But I knew that if I would say yes, he might ask me some question that I
More
wouldn't be able
questions.
to answer.
Okay.
So I said no while I was laughing itself. And he was also laughing at that time. He
हाँ.
knew that.
He has, but he doesn't want to say. That's a range. That's okay. हाँ.
And after that, he still asked me that, okay, you don't have girlfriend, but do you have any crush?
हाँ.
So for that also I said, no sir, not currently about that.
हाँ.
Then I was recalling one of the moment that I have recently watched on the YouTube, that one of the recommended candidates interview, that he was saying that same question was asked to him
Hmm.
and he framed the answer. I was thinking of saying that, but I felt like I should not,
Should not.
and I should not dig more in that area
Ah.
so that the interview don't go there.
Because it is in your hands to take the interviewer
Yes, sir.
where you want to.
Yes, sir.
Rather than he guiding you, you should guide him.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
So that was some tight spot you were about to get caught,
Yes, sir.
but somehow with your own genuine answer you came out of it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that was the thing. All right.
Sir, the general awareness question that he asked was totally different that any defense aspirant would prepare.
Like,
We used to prepare that what is our favorite aircraft and all about that which country.
Hmm.
But he asked me who is the president of India.
अच्छा.
Name her and tell from where she is,
हाँ.
and the vice president also.
Hmm.
And I answered that, but at that time then he asked me that named all the union territories
Okay.
and the capitals of the union territories.
Hmm.
And I was a bit confused about the Andaman and Nicobar, as I have read earlier that it is Port Blair, but recently it has been changed.
Change.
So that was one of the area where I liked.
Basically, like I always say,
Yes, sir.
this is a test, effectively, it is a test of your practical intelligence.
Yes, sir.
These questions are put on you for stress.
Yes, sir.
कि there are times when a child gets into that dilemma कि अरे मैंने इसका जवाब नहीं दिया उसका जवाब नहीं दिया, and he starts lagging behind in that. So the basic answers are not given.
Yes, sir.
But thankfully,
Yes, sir.
you coped up with the interview very well.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the GTO part. How was your GTO thing?
Sir, it was great. It started on the fourth day.
Fourth and fifth day.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So on the fourth day in the morning, we had first start the GD.
Hmm.
So the GD, I can't remember the GD topic.
No
properly,
problem. हाँ.
As it started, it was a very easy topic that we were able to speak on.
General topics.
Yes, sir,
like
general topics.
Hmm.
And in the both GD, I was able to give
make a contribution to the discussion.
3-4 points I have given in both the GD that I
Okay.
felt like
Hmm.
I have participated good enough, and that I should now stay back, not to dominate the group.
Yes.
And after that, as the
So what was your advice?
Yes, sir.
Since I have been dealing with so many people, I have forgotten, but I must have just told you कि GD में थोड़ा सा अपने को hold yourself
Yes,
back.
sir.
हाँ.
Sir, I believe that in GD the participation depends on the group, as
Yes.
how much the group is participating.
How receptive they are.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that was
So you had a good group.
yes, sir. I was as all the group members were earlier repeater. It said that they have got conference out from some places,
Hmm.
so they were cooperative, as they all were trying like we want to get it.
They want to put their best foot
Yes,
forward.
sir.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
एकदम एक अच्छी इमेज दिखानी जरूरी है ना? चलो. हाँ.
After that, the GP happened. Then, as some of the major point that you have told me in the GP writing part,
That
like
the 5 things.
format, the GP, RATS.
हाँ.
So that helped a lot.
Okay.
Then I was able to quickly write the solution. And,
I'm very, very particular about GP because I realize you must have also realized
yes, sir.
it is a very important
Yes,
task
sir.
of the GTO. है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. फिर
Then I was able to cope up all the writing time, as I finished earlier than the time given by the GTO sir.
हाँ.
And after that, as the discussion started, as some of the major important things like discussing about the group distribution, the time distance, that my group was forgetting about that. So I was reminding them that we should discuss that also.
Yeah.
As they were discussing the solutions, adding actions to it, but they were forgetting that.
The
So
smaller details, the
yes,
finer
sir.
details.
So I was adding that also to that, and some of the actions that the better could be done. So the GPU also went fine.
Fine.
Yes,
And
sir.
then it was followed by a small break
Yes,
where you
sir.
got something to eat
Yes,
and a
sir.
cup of tea, hot cup of tea, and then the progressive group task.
Yes, sir.
How did that start?
Sir, as the PGT started, most of us were repeaters.
Hmm.
So they just picked up the plank, bully, and rope, and
Like-
they just climbed on.
But it is not the solution.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
They just climbed on the structures.
Ah.
As they climbed on all. The first one was the easiest one.
Yeah.
So they did just the direct bridging, and we were able to get out of it. And on the second one, the as we were implementing the ideas, so Gito sir gave us some power. Like, I'll give you 5 seconds, and how many of you can move forward. So, but
Some
he
concessions each
Yes,
captain. Okay.
but he added one point to it that only those who have idea, they only move forward.
Hmm.
So in the second, some of the group members of mine got forward, but they were just standing there.
Okay.
I was in the back part, and I was asking them like to a particular chess number that please switch position with me. I have an idea.
Ah.
Let me implement that.
Ah.
But they were not listening to me at
Yes.
that time.
Very important.
And
That see at a given time only few people can go on the
Yes,
structure.
sir.
And like I always say, don't stop giving ideas from the start line.
Yes, sir.
Because it is your ideas, your implementation, and ideas from the finish line which decide whether you pass the PGT or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I was not able to give idea because of that, as I was not getting the chance.
People are not letting you go
Yes, sir.
आगे आगे नहीं करता वो तो सब में होता है कि सबको परफॉर्म करने
Yes, sir. But I knew that in the third and the fourth PGT that
हाँ.
many of the group members will get stopped.
Yes.
So in the third, I took the lead and got in the obstacle first.
Hmm.
And I put up the idea that was for getting to the forward finish line. So in the third, I gave idea, and for the fourth PGT, I gave the retrieving idea.
अच्छा last minute retrieval वाला.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I gave that, and also in the major, like in between, as we were asked that we should not make any hanging bridge. We should connect both the end of the
Both
bridge.
sides.
Yes,
I had told you
Yes,
some
sir.
GTOs
Double
think that way. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
So major of our group was doing that. For the stability part of the back part, there was a small block like of bully,
Hmm.
but that was in the breadth. It was less than the plank. So they were putting first the plank. So I was telling them that first put the bully, as bully would be more stable, as
Mhm.
the plank won't roll over it.
Mhm.
If we put a bully over the plank, it would roll. So I also gave that point also, and in between I tied the rope, which handling the rope in the Air Force board I feel is a bit difficult, as it
It's
is
a long rope, thick
Yes, sir.
rope. Yeah. Unlike army.
Yes, and in third PGT I handled the rope very properly. So some of my group mates were also found that yes, he can manage the rope.
Hmm.
So,
So when did you learn to use this rope?
sir, here only in Dreamers, like the rope here was very long, and
Ah.
compared
We had bought a new
yes.
rope in your batch.
Yes,
Yes. So that helped him indirectly.
Yes,
so
sir.
it was a boon in disguise. मतलब अनजाने में एक बहुत अच्छी
Yes,
चीज
sir.
हो गई. बहुत
And sir, that helped me in the command tasks. Many of the group members called me as their subordinates because of that, as I was
Helper.
I was able to tie the rope properly.
Okay.
So I believe that was also a great point for me.
And lecture it कैसा हुआ?
So lecture the 4 topics that I got were totally out of my like that. It is said that one is high level, 2 are average, and one is low level. But the topics that I got was Article 370, Election Commission, corruption, and
But all these articles, all these topics are there with us.
Yes, sir. The Abhinav sir taught us the Agnipath scheme. That
Agnipath scheme, yes.
Yes, sir. So that was one of the major reason. But Agnipath scheme is something like I feel that it might get down the image of the Indian army if I would speak on it for the
Huh.
3 minutes.
Hmm.
So I took that corruption would be a bit better, as the
Anything. If you can
Yes, sir.
speak for 3 minutes.
Yes, sir. The
Now,
day-
now that you mentioned this name Abhinav,
Yes, sir.
he has been with us. He has seen many experiences is immense.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So I would like to tell the viewers that it is not only the assessors over here. It is the team which we have,
Yes,
है ना? Which makes these boys and girls practice in the evening time, is also a big contributor to the final selection.
Yes, sir.
Because I know that Abhinav, for one fact, that his knowledge, general awareness
Yes, sir.
is very good. and he is the one who teaches all these candidates who come here about the current affairs, the history, the geography, the political science, geopolitics, anything.
Yes, sir.
Because we can't teach everything to a candidate,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So Abhinav and Pragya, who is a little junior to him,
Yes, sir.
they are a big part of our team.
Yes, sir.
है ना? हाँ. So GTO went well for you.
Yes, sir.
So if I have to ask you one line about the site which you did here, the interview which you had, and the GT, one line each. What is a takeaway for you? What was a game changer? क्या ऐसी चीज हुई जो बाकियों में नहीं होती जनरली, जो आपको पता है?
Sir, in psych part here, the debrief.
Is
That-
very good.
That was the best part.
That's part.
And in the interview, that earlier we were not told that what type of question would be asked.
Hmm.
As I have seen that many coachings tell like these are the CIQs and all the questions that are asked in the
उसका कोई मतलब नहीं.
yes, sir. But that was the one of the thing that Captain S. Jaiswal sir told us that
मतलब करना क्या है, ये
Yes,
तो
sir.
बताओ, है ना?
yes, sir, that was thing that he told that be yourself only at that time.
हाँ.
That would be the best. Only that could get you recommended from the interview part. Otherwise, you would have the framed answer and the interview.
You'll get caught.
Yes, sir. Interview will get caught.
हाँ.
And for the GTO part, I believe that the cooperation and the practice, that is the major thing.
Major key which
Yes,
happens here, and the small points which are given to you, do they help?
Yes, sir. In the GP part, in the PGT command task, in command task also, I was able to get the hardest one in the command task.
Very good. So
And
that means
my-
you did the best.
Yes, sir. Even in my group members were confused that why he get the hardest one.
हाँ.
Like, but yes, I knew in my back of my mind that I perform well in PGD and half group task. So yes, that was also
So
great.
now that this SSB went well for you, you got recommended. Is your medical also over?
No, sir. Medical is
Yet to have.
yes, sir.
Okay, and thereafter, after the medical, the merit list is the
Yes,
way,
sir.
है ना? So आप इधर आए, हमने यहाँ पे free batches किए हैं
Yes, sir.
for from May onwards till date, and it will continue.
Yes, sir.
That is that small contribution from our side, that is from our director. It is the guideline which has been given that we will do the free batches. We call them Siddur batches in a way that this is a small contribution, a drop in the ocean
Yes, sir.
for the country we want
Yes,
to do,
sir.
है ना? So आपके मन में क्या है कि यार ये लोग फ्री बैच कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या कराएंगे, ऐसा क्या हो, मतलब what was the thought which came across your mind?
So I got to know about it on the Instagram post that I
Hmm.
saw,
Hmm.
and after that I contacted few of my friends that will you also like to come? Then they also got agreed,
हाँ.
and four of us from the same area
Hmm.
got ready and came here. On the first day and the second day, we were a bit confused, like as we had an idea of about the SSB earlier also, as
Hmm.
most of us were repeaters only.
Hmm.
Like one of had got the screen out last time and conference out, and one of the other conference out. So we had the
Idea था आपको?
idea about it. So as the practice started on the second day and the first day itself of the PPDT,
Hmm.
so that was one of the thing that was very great here. As earlier we used to think that many PPDT are not done by the many coachings
हाँ.
available here.
Hmm.
So,
They're good, yeah.
yes, so I got a bit. What I
And
can say-
एक आपको एक एज मिली
Yes,
बाकियों
sir.
से,
yes, sir.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे जितनी प्रैक्टिस पीपीडीटी में
Yes, sir.
करते हैं उतनी मुझे नहीं लगता कि कहीं और करते हैं.
Yes, so that was one of the major
टेक अवे.
takeaway for me to get screen in at that time. As
हाँ.
I was a bit conscious about it that will I get screen in or not.
हाँ.
The other 4 days are after that. So I have to get the screen in.
So मतलब आप आए, आपने, आपको अच्छा लगा और आप डेफिनेटली कुछ सीखे.
Yes,
मैं
sir.
ये बोल सकता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
And Anurag, like I know that people do take, whenever one gets clears his written part, he takes coaching guidance from whatever sources they can.
Yes, sir.
And in fact, there's nothing wrong in that. In fact, it is a very healthy thing. However, इतने लोग गाइडेंस लेते हैं पर रिकमेंड तो सारे नहीं होते. सो इट इज बेसिकली योर हार्ड वर्क. लाइक वी टेल ऑन द फर्स्ट डे कि हम ऐसा कुछ नहीं बताने वाले जो इंश्योर करेगा कि आप पास हो, पर हम आपको एक प्रैक्टिस देंगे, एक सही दिशा दिखाएंगे, प्रैक्टिस आपकी होगी.
Yes, sir.
सो यू थिंक दैट इज द राइट वे टू गो अबाउट इट?
Yes, sir. It is the right way. As even after the batch ended, we should keep our practice continuing.
कंटिन्यू
Yes,
है
sir.
ना. तो आपने अनुराग लाइक जैसे आपने और भी एकेडमीज देखी होंगी और भी जगह आप कभी गए होंगे ऑन यूट्यूब भी सभी देखते हैं.
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं ये सोचूं कि नहीं देखते तो गलत है
Yes,
है
sir.
ना. सभी बच्चे
Yes, sir.
करते हैं. सो आपको क्या लगता है कि बाकी जगहों से इस जगह में ड्रीमर एडू हब में क्या डिफरेंस है. मतलब क्यों बच्चों को इधर आना चाहिए.
Sir, for the mainly for the Air Force Selection Board kids, uh, aspirants, they have a very great PGD structures and all that here.
ओके
As
मतलब बेसिकली
yes, sir.
ऐसा ही कुछ वहां भी आपको दिखा.
Yes, sir.
तो वी हैव गॉट अ बिग जीटी ग्राउंड जेंटलमैन एंड उसमें कोई रुकावट नहीं है. आप कभी भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं.
Yes, sir. And also the site briefing that
Site
we get,
debrief which we have.
we get, and all the feedback of the all the SSL. That is also a very helpful part. As much as you can get the debrief and about the feedback of your performance, it will help you a lot in getting where you lack and where you should improve. As we don't know ourselves that where we would lack in the SSB part.
Obviously,
Yes,
obviously. मतलब it is the first time.
yes,
So it is a
feedback.
very big help for the first timers
Yes, sir.
as well as the people who are coming second, third time, fourth
Yes.
time, whatever, depending on the number of chances they have had in the SSB.
Yes, sir.
So if 2 to 3 points you have to tell us to the our viewers, if you want to tell them, ki in how is Dreamers Edu Hub different from other coaching? I'm sure you have not been to 10-20, but जितने भी आपने सुने आपके दोस्त गए होंगे,
Yes, sir.
कई लोग उधर किसी और स्टेट में भी गए होंगे.
Yes, sir.
सो आपने जो आप लोग आपस में बातें करते हैं उनमें से किस निष्कर्ष पे आप पहुंचे कि क्या चीज डिफरेंट है ड्रीमर्स एडू हब में और बाकी एसएसबी में. 2 या 3 चीज आप अगर बता सकें.
So first one is the practice.
नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स
sir.
यू गेट टू डू द टास्क.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, एक ये हो
And
गया.
also the feedback also.
The feedback is very
here
important.
very
That really helps
yes,
you
sir.
to introspect and improve yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir, also the military awareness classes that happens here.
Yes,
All
that
the-
evening classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
They are also very helpful as we used to get confused that where we should study from. Like if searching on Google, there is a vast
Plethora
Question, yes,
of
sir.
knowledge, but
Yes,
उसमें से क्या पढ़ना है.
yes, sir.
So people guide you here कि भाई ये पढ़ो, ये जनरली
Yes, sir.
पूछा जाता है. Okay. Okay.
And sir, also the guidance even after the batch ended.
Okay.
That is also very great. As
हाँ.
I contacted Abhinav sir the one day before my SSB.
हाँ.
As I was a bit nervous, as I was alone in Guwahati,
हाँ.
and I was nervous as the next morning I am having my screening and all that procedure.
हाँ.
So I was a bit nervous, so I messaged him that sir, tomorrow is my SSB and
हाँ.
please
Something. Please not
Yes,
help me.
sir.
Guide me.
Some tips that
Tips.
last minute tips that
हाँ.
you want to give me.
हाँ.
At that time, he told me that, "Arey, don't worry, you are a recommended candidate. Don't worry,
हाँ.
you will get recommended."
We were very sure
Yes, sir.
that you will this time definitely break it
Yes,
and
sir.
you are going to get recommended. And there is one thing which I feel is different from other academies, though I have not been to other places. But what I hear from children who come back to
Yes,
us and tell us is that at this place, once you come to Dreamers,
Yes, sir.
you become a part of our family.
Yes, sir.
Once a dreamer, always a dreamer.
Yes,
है कि
sir.
नहीं? And you can come back to us anytime with any number of times with any small thing or any small guidance also,
Yes, sir.
which I feel does not happen in other academies. है ना?
Yes, sir.
और प्रॉब्ली ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि जुड़ जाते हैं. हम एक बहुत बड़ा परिवार बनाना चाहते हैं जो फौज में फाइनली घुसे.
Yes,
है ना? So anything which you want to tell the viewers from your side, since now that you have been recommended, merit list and all will come later. But अब आप एक बार रिकमेंड हो चुके हो तो आप कुछ बताना चाहोगे कि बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा से आप एक दिन पहले जैसे बोल रहे थे कि कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा डर तो लगता ही है
Yes,
सबको
sir.
क्योंकि कंपटीशन है, इतने लोग आते हैं, कुछ ही लोग रिकमेंड होते हैं. तो क्या एक मंत्र है जो आपके लिए काम करता है?
Sir, I believe that we should first listen to all the briefing given by the SSR there.
The guidance.
Yes,
which is
sir.
given, हाँ.
That is the main part. If we are able to listen all the instructions properly, so I believe no one will get stuck in any place.
हाँ, वो बनाई ऐसी गई
Yes,
है
sir.
कि आपको अगर आप इंस्ट्रक्शन क्लियरली सुनो, समझो और एनालाइज करके
Yes,
करो
sir.
तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं.
And sir, the being yourself and the introspection part, that is the
Yes.
most important. That
Don't try to
will
put a mask.
Yes, sir.
Don't try to show something which you are not.
Yes, sir.
है ना? वो तो हम for day one से बोलते हैं,
Yes, sir.
है कि नहीं?
I believe that it is not created to get students rejected. It is for the selection procedure.
Because
Just take it that way.
because nothing over there happens which is to catch you.
Yes, sir.
It is only to help you. And जो task हम करते हैं, they are there to take out your personality. The whole SSB, all three techniques revolve around the 15 OLQs.
Yes, sir.
उसी के हिसाब से लोग आगे पीछे करते हैं, है कि नहीं? So Anurag, it was, I'm really happy for you.
Yes.
And
Sir.
all of us. And last, as you are aware, in last around 1.5 to 2 months, from this place onward, this place only, in our Sindoor batches, we have given 36 recommendations,
Yes, sir.
and we are still counting. So inshallah, everything will happen good,
Yes, sir.
and people will get recommended, get into Falls. And from the Dreamers family, once again, I want you to keep working hard, and I take this opportunity to congratulate you for your hard work and getting recommended. And जो होता है ना, आपने हमारा भी सर ऊंचा किया है, अपने पेरेंट्स का तो किया ही है, हमारा भी सर ऊंचा किया है, तो उसके लिए तहे दिल से थैंक्स, एंड कीप वर्किंग हार्ड.
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir.